Ninth class student, exercise 8A, logarithm. Question 7 is evaluate first part is log base on 10 0.01. You first the let log base on 10 0.01 is equal to x. We find the value of x. Write in exponential form. 10 as power x is equal to 0.01. Remove the point. After remove the point, 10 as power x is equal to 1 upon 100. Write, do the equal base. 100, write the 10 square. 10 as power x is equal to 10 as power minus 2. Reach the numerator, sign will be changed. Base are equal, comparing on x is equal to minus 2. So you write the log 10 base 0.01, value is minus 2. First part is complete. Second part is log base on 2 1 divided by 8. Let log base on 2 1 upon 8 is equal to x. Write the exponential form. 2 as power x is equal to 1 upon 8. 2 as power x is equal to 8, write be 2 as power 3. 2 as power x is equal to 2 as power minus 3. Change the sign change. Base are equal, comparing on is equal to x is equal to minus 3. So you write the log base on 2 1 divided 8 is equal to minus 3. Second part is complete. Fifth part is log 16 base 8. Let the log on 16 base 8 is equal to x. Write the exponential form. 16 as power x is equal to 8. Do the base are equal. 16 as 2 as power 4, x it is same. 8 write be 2 as power 3. Multiply by power 2 as power 4x is equal to 2 as power 3. Base are equal. Comparing on 4x is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 upon 4. Sixth part is log base on 0.5 16. Let the log 0.5 16 is equal to x. Write the exponential form. X is equal to 16. Remove the power. After remove the point. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 1 upon 2 has power x is equal to 16. Right, we have 2 has power 4. Power 2 has power minus 1. Change the sign. Reciprocal 2 has power 4. Multiply by power 2 has power minus x is equal to 2 has power 4. Base are equal. Comparing on minus x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 4. So you write the log 0.5 16 is equal to minus 4. Seventh question is complete. Question number 9. 8th question is given the question book. Question number 9 is given log base on 2 x is equal to m and log base on 5 y is equal to m. First part is express two as power m minus 3 in term of x. That is question. Write the exponential form. 2 as power m is equal to x and 5 as power m is equal to y. Write the 2 as power m into 2 as power minus 3. Change the form. 2 as power m 2 as upon 2 as power 3. 2 as power m value is x and 2 as power 3 value is 8. First part is. Second part is 5 has power 3m plus 2 in terms of y. Make the 5 as power m. So you write the 5 as 3m into 5 upon 5 as power 2. change the 5 as power m, 3 is whole and 5 square is 25. 5 as power m value is y. Putting the value into 25 after multiply 25 y cube in form y term. Question number 9 is complete. Question number 10. 10 is if log on 2 base x is equal to a and log base on 3 y is equal to a. Write the 72 has power a in terms of x and y. Do the factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Common power is a 2 as power 3 into 3 as power 2. Common power is a. Power multiply by power 2 as power after multiply 3a into 3 as power 2a. Putting the value x and y form. Given is write the exponential form 2 as power a is equal to x and 3 as power a is equal to y in exponential form. We put the value 2 as power a is equal to x. Make this form 2 as power a power 3 into 3 as power a into square. Putting the value 2 as power a value is x and 3 has power a value is y. Power is same. After x cube y square in form of question number 11. 11 is solve for x. We find the value of x. Log x minus 1 plus log x plus 1 is equal to log 2 as power base on 2 is equal to product rule is plus make the multiply x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to log 2 1. Log after multiply will be plus and minus. X square minus 1 is equal to log on base 2 1. Comparing on x square minus 1 is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1, reach the right hand side, plus 1. X square is equal to 2. Then x is equal to plus minus under root 2. 11 question is complete. 12 question is. 12 question. If log x square minus 21 is equal to 2, then show that x is equal to plus minus 11. Write the left hand side, x square minus 21 is equal to 2. Value is 2. Write in log form. 2 value is x square minus 21 is equal to 2 value is 100. Log 100. Now the comparing on x square minus 21 is equal to 121. Reach the right hand side, after minus will be plus. X square is equal to 1 to 1. Then x value is plus minus under root 1 to 1. X is equal to plus minus 11. Hence proved. Exercise 7, 8A complete. Thank you.